Paw Patrol, we'll be there on the double.
Welcome to Paw Patrol Academy. The pups have some exciting games to play with you. Hey there! Welcome to my ABC dictionary. Let's learn some letters together. Chase is on the case. Ramp. Ramp. Let's put this word back together. R. A. M. P. Ramp. A ramp is a slope surface to make it easier for things to go from low to high without lifting or jumping. Farmer, we've got some letters to construct. Hey there! Welcome to letter R. Use the crane to put the letter together. R! Nice work! R is the first letter in run. Oh no! Let's put this word back together. R. U. N. Run. Nice job! Run starts with R.
Help me get... Who's ready for a dance party? Let's take to the sky.
Ready, set, dance! Do you... Let's... Farmer Yumi can count on us.
Thanks for giving me a hand on the farm, Marshall. It's getting chilly, so we gotta get some of these sheep into their sweaters.
You got it. All right, you chilly sheep. Follow me. Follow, jump, follow me. Here, little, follow the leader. Go play, little friend.
Great job.
Time to warm up and get those sweaters on. Great job, Marshall.
All right, what's next?
It's time for some of the animals to eat. Can you bring these animals to me?
You bet. All right, you hungry sheep. Follow me. One, let's have fun.
Well done.
We've got some...
Help me get these rides into shape.
And before you know it, I'm driving in the parade and confetti is filling up my car's engine.
First, we'll clean the skid plate. Square. A square is a shape with 4 sides that are all the same size. It looks like a flat box.
Excellent job! Ooh, that's amazing!
Green means go.
Oh, it's perfect. Thank you, Rocky.
Happy to help. And anytime you have a leak, break, or scrape, just come see me and I'll get it into shape. Uh-oh. Who's ready for
Do you want to color with me? Hey dude, welcome to my beachside art gallery. Are you ready to make some possum art? Ow! Black. Tan. Light blue. Tan. Brown. Time to do the wave. That's amazing, dude.